voice, please? Oh, sure, of course.
What up, bitch? Like a juicy jet over here, cutie. Come here, baby. Want a piece of that? Did I know how I'm nice? Let me clap. Will you stop? Fuck, baby. I know you like it.
Real voice? Fuck yeah.
What up, baby girl? How you do?
Stop raising me up! Sorry, my voice changer broke for a second. My bad. Finally, real voice. It's gonna get so many clicks on YouTube. People are like, oh my god, I can't believe her real voice slipped through. Now then, have voice actors? Bro, you don't even have to be a voice actor. Who the fuck can be higher or much lower with their normal voice? Like what? Everyone can be like, ah, or oh. The highest?